Welcome back to another video. Today, Apple and I, we have ourselves a little competition. We're gonna have a little fishing derby. Now we are at our family's pond and there are tilapia in here. Normally, tilapia for me is a very dirty fish that we avoid when we're at the store or at the fish market. We just don't eat those because normally those fish are kind of used as like a cleanup crew in the ponds where food fish are actually being raised, and tilapia are kind of notorious for just eating poop basically, and so I don't like to eat tilapia. However, in this particular pond, this is the family pond, there's no pesticide, there's no antibiotics, and the fish are fed fish food, and that's all there is in here. So anyway, we have the house blessing ceremony coming up, and these fish that we're going to catch today are going to be part of what we feed our guests at the ceremony. So, Apple is new to fishing, but I did capture her first fish that she caught a couple of days ago right here in this very spot. So I'm gonna roll to that clip right now. Reel in that slack slowly. Just reel it, you see it, right? Yeah, reel it up to it a little bit. You got something going on. Oh, go, 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 set it. Yeah!
I got it, baby.
Whoa!
That's my first tilapia. Careful.
Nice!
Careful.
Nice!
Look at the color, it's so nice.
Okay, put the tip down.
I can take care of the fish.
Whoa, look at you. Nice job.
Yay!
How did that feel?
It's so good. I want to catch some more.
Cool. So as you guys could see, that was a very special moment for Apple. She was super excited. So she's also very excited to come here and do this again. So we're gonna have ourselves a little bit of a competition, see who can get the most fish in whatever allotted amount of time. I don't know. How long do you want to do this for? Do you want to put it on a time limit, or you just want to fish until we get
Let's do
a decent amount?
Maybe like an hour.
Okay.
Yes.
1 hour.
Hour and a half like that.
Oh, hour and a half. Hour, an hour and a half.
Yeah.
An hour.
Okay,
Let's just
that's
do an hour.
fine. Okay.
We'll try an hour and see how it goes. If we catch a bunch of fish, and we'll keep totals on who caught what. Apple's gonna fish from this part of the bank, and I am going to be over there. I have my own bucket. She has her own bucket. And that is it, you guys. Wish us luck. Let's get into it, right?
Yes, I will be the winner today.
Okay, let's catch some fish. Okay, you guys, so we're using sticky rice. I just basically ball it up and throw it on the hook and kind of bury the hook in it. And that is about it, and we just throw it in. There's the first one, you guys. Good sized tilapia. That'll work.
Oh yes, that's my first fish for today. Thank you. This one bigger than the other. Wow, that's actually a big one.
That is a good one. Yay!
Yeah, yeah.
So that was about an hour and 15 minutes. And Apple, how many fish did you get?
I have 3 fish. Let me choose this one out of this. This is your bucket.
I don't know, but I think I won.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are the winner.
So we got 10 fish.
Yes.
All right, that was better than nothing. It was fun, right?
Yes, very fun.
All right, cool.
I like it a lot.
All right,
Yeah.
let's get it back to the house.